Oh my gosh. Do you see all of them? Awesome.
We don't have that in Dallas. Hi, buddy.
Look at them. Because they're so used to humans.
Your car guy. Does this make you want to research?
We're about to go swimming. You know, anytime you stay at any type of resort or anytime you travel anywhere, there's a couple of things that you really want to pay attention to. If you're a gym enthusiast, you always want to hit the gym. You always want to use the pool. And if you're like me, you always want to try room service. Today, I frowned just slightly whenever they didn't give me the room that I requested, which that happens. It's okay. I'm nobody. But she gave me 2 free drink coupons and 2 breakfast buffet passes. So awesome. Okay, so we just, thank you, sweetheart. We just finished up eating some breakfast, and now we're gonna go check out the Garden of the Gods. It's this real nice rock formation, so we're gonna go check that out. We made it to the Garden of the Gods. No drones here, I can respect that, but man, it's like some of the most beautiful places that you really want to fly, such as here. You can't, not gonna mess with that, but Garden of the Gods. I still don't understand how those guys climb up those rocks. I mean, it's scary. We do have a second mission today. We'd like to go climb Pikes Peak. Initially we were going to take that little cog railway, but they're only spending 30 minutes at the summit. We want a little bit more time than that, so I think we're going to drive up there. But man, this is beautiful. That's what it's all about. Taking these trips, even if they're only a couple days long, and getting to see something that you hadn't got to see before. Like this. My only regret is I wore jeans. Whatever. We're about finished here. I think we're gonna go to Pikes Peak right now. This place was amazing. If you're ever in Colorado Springs, make sure that you check out Garden of the Gods. This place was awesome. pretty hot today. You know, like I said, I mentioned earlier, wearing jeans, but it's gonna be a lot colder on top of that mountain.
Isn't that where they have
Current temperature 88, which is cool in relation to Dallas, but 88 degrees. Let's see what it is on the top of Pikes Peak. We'll see you guys there. The summit of Pikes Peak. You can see things are a little different. So in a matter of about, I'd say 4 hours, went from sweating, really regretting the fact that I wore pants, and now really excited that I still have pants on, and Whitney switched into pants. Did I mention it's snowing? See this? Do you guys see this? That's my Daredevil. If you think at all I'm adventurous, you should meet Whitney. I'd link her YouTube channel, but she doesn't have one, so say hi to Whitney. Comment below, hi Whitney. You know, I'm always in search for those young creators, but look at this young man behind me. He's 10 years old, so how long have you been doing photography?
A few months.
Oh, a few months, man. That's, you know what? You started at the right time, brother. So let's get you a great shot so that you can portray who you really are. Look at that. 10 years old, already on his game. So they have a gift shop. It's all the way on the top. And it is absolutely hilarious how many people are walking around. Me too. But I got to thinking, all this working out, I wonder if I could speed things up if we just worked out up here. I don't know. So there's a few places that we purposefully omitted on our way up Pikes Peak so that we could stop at them on the way down. And this reservoir here is one of them. Hours, 52 minutes. That adequately requires to make it a day at the Garden of the Gods, hang out, take some pictures, watch some people rock climb, and then climb Pikes Peak. In a car. Yeah. I turned 34 today. I'm another year older. I suppose this particular birthday was one of my more productive ones. If you're ever in Colorado Springs, I definitely recommend Garden of the Gods and getting to the summit of Pikes Peak. Those two things can be done in one day. You'll be a little tired afterwards, but a whole lot of adventure. This has been Whitney and I's adventure. You go out and have yours. Have a great week, guys. Later.